C'est pour déjeuner, monsieur. Suivez-moi.
Right, yeah, so you just get the hula hoops, you get some babybel, and yeah, whack them together. So, on sheaf for hula hoops. Likewise with the old babybel. Love this stuff. You could use a peeler or a knife or something, but that'd be mental. So yeah, just use your fingers in it. You can cut these up as well right here, but you know, whatever. Rip it open, sorted. Now you've got your two basic ingredients. Now to mix them up. So the next step is to break apart the cheese. You can cut this into even bits, you can just break it up into how you like. There's two different techniques I've got. This is the first one, just rip it up and whack it in there. Job's good. And just rinse and repeat. Got a lovely little close-up there for you. If you get a couple of bits which don't quite fit together, then, you know, have a munch, why not? I can normally get all of these to fit perfectly, but, you know, whatever. Yes, waiter, let's have some more babybel and crisps. And here is my second technique. Oh, I'll do it in a second. It's what where you put the cheese in and sort of twist it. So you don't have to break it all up. You can just sort of shove it in and twist it off. There we go. There you go, and just sort of slide it off. Get a much tighter fit in there, but waste a lot more cheese, so you'll end up with a few more left over, probably. But, you know, that's just my expert opinion. You can do it how you like, just get the cheese. You can just have a bite of cheese and have a handful of crisps. I do that when I'm feeling particularly lazy. This is just when I'm feeling very extravagant. So on the Tom Cheeseman Esquire recipe sort of stars, I would give this a 1 for difficulty, but a 3 for how time consuming it is. So 5 out of 5. Have a munch on any leftovers, of course. And yeah, enjoy. Now for a montage of hula hoops and cheese.